I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to reach out to Neteller support, follow these straightforward steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Neteller account using your credentials. This is necessary to access support options tailored to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, look for the Help or Support section, usually found in the main menu or footer of the website. This is where you can find various support resources. Step 3. Choose your support option. In the Help section, you will see different ways to contact support, such as live chat, email, or phone support. Select the option that suits you best. Step 4. Provide necessary details. When contacting support, be ready to provide relevant details about your issue, such as your account number and a description of the problem. This helps them assist you more efficiently. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email or the chat window for a response. If you don't hear back in a reasonable time, don't hesitate to follow up. Remember, reaching out to support can sometimes take a little time, so be patient. Good luck, and I hope you get your issue resolved quickly.